Hey, so if you're managing a remote team and things feel scattered across chats, docs, and emails, this guide is going to help a lot. I'll show you how to use ClickUp in 2026 to keep your remote team aligned, productive, and actually on the same page. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this becomes the central hub for your entire remote team. Now, for remote teams, organization is everything. Start by creating spaces for different departments or functions like engineering, marketing, design, or operations. This helps everyone know exactly where their work lives and avoids confusion across time zones. Inside each space, create folders or lists for ongoing projects. For example, you might have a sprint list, a content calendar, or a client delivery list. This way, tasks are grouped logically and nothing gets lost, even when people are working async. Next, start adding tasks. Each task should represent a clear piece of work, like designing a feature, reviewing a document, or preparing a report. Assign tasks to the right team members, set due dates, and add descriptions so expectations are crystal clear. ClickUp's statuses are super helpful for remote work. You can use statuses like to do, in progress, review, and completed to instantly see what's happening without needing constant meetings. You can also set priorities, which honestly helps teams focus when everything feels important. Now let's talk views. List view works great for detailed planning, board view is perfect for visual workflows, and calendar view helps remote teams track deadlines across different schedules. So yeah, let everyone use the view that fits their workflow best. For managers and team leads, dashboards are a huge win. You can track progress, workload, and deadlines in real time without micromanaging or interrupting your team's flow. And that's basically it. ClickUp gives remote teams one clear system to plan work, communicate progress, and stay connected, no matter where everyone is working from. If this video helped you out, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team or another remote manager who might need this. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.